Hello everyone, welcome to this new lecture. This is not particular to any topic, but this is rather than we can say the competitive exam point of view of linear algebra. So this problem or this kind of problem may be important for JAM exam or for any other competitive entrance exam also for mathematics and mathematical physics portion. So what is given? T R6 to R6 is a linear mapping. So I am assuming that you know linear mapping and such that t square equals to 0, then what will be the rank of t? There are 4 options. So now you see, so what is given to us? Given is t is a linear mapping and t square equals to 0. And what we need to find? We need to find what is the rank of t. So now t square equals to 0. What does that imply? That implies t of Tx equals to 0. Now before starting this one, let me just write what is rank of t. Rank of t is the dimension of image of t. So if there is a mapping from one vector space, linear mapping, to another vector space say W, and say the mapping is t, okay, so t will create some image of V. So if this is V, this is the image. So this image will form a vector space under W. That vector space will have some dimension. So that is this one, and this is valid for finite dimensional vector space. So here we have seen that this is 6 dimensional, this is 6 dimensional. So this is finite dimensional. So now what we have done, so let me just start this again so that you can understand it better. So what is given? So if I go for the solution, what is given? That t square of x actually equals to 0. So what does that mean? That means t of tx, so now you think if this one we assume as alpha, so alpha equals to tx. So that means alpha belongs to image of t, because t of something equals to alpha, so alpha belongs to image of t. Again, t of alpha equals to 0. So alpha belongs to car of t. What is the meaning of car of t? Car of t is the set of all elements which maps to 0. So alpha belongs to, that means we can understand that if there is some alpha which is image, that must be 0, goes to 0. So that is car of t. So from here we can say that image of t will be a subset of car of t. Because if alpha belongs to image of t, that is t alpha equals to something, that is tx equals to alpha, then alpha belongs to car of t also, because t square is 0. So this one. So this one. Now there is an important theorem which is called rank nullity theorem, that tells us that dimension of car t plus dimension of image of t equals to this one 6. That is the dimension of the domain space, that is 6. Now here you see car t is more than image of t. Now you have to find rank of t. Rank of t means image. So we have to concentrate on image. So this can be written, this is dimension of image of t plus dimension of image of t less than equals to 6. Because image is less than equals to car t, so dimension of this one is less than equals to dimension of car t, so that we have written here. So that means this is 2 times dimension of image of t less than equals to 6, so dimension of image of t less than equals to 3. So this will be the answer. So you need to understand this very properly, that what is given to you, you have to do all the manipulation that what is given to us and what information we can get from the given part. So that you have to understand. If you understand that properly, then you can get the desired answer. So this is the thing. Thank you. I think you can understand this one. Thank you very much.